Holy shit, dude. No. Oh, the G's, bro. Holy shit, this thing is tiny. Oh.
Yeah. No better way to do it.
Oh my god, that was insane. I couldn't even, guys, I couldn't even put my seatbelt back on the whole time because it kept locking because the G's were too much. Holy shit, dude. That was crazy.
That was so fun.
Hey, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. Welcome back to the channel. I just went over to my mailbox over there, and waiting for me inside of that mailbox was this package. And of course, when packages come, they're either for the camera or for the car, and today it is for the car. I finally bought these after waiting for so long. So let's go ahead and dig right in. Get all of this tape out of here. And it's double layered. So these are from eBay. They are pretty sick. You can tell by this button what it is. It is new fog lights. Woohoo! So hopefully this fog light button actually fits in my car this time around. The other one didn't. I think it was made for the sedan. I'm not sure. Still fit my bumper though. This pack actually comes with a lot more than my previous set does. It comes with zip ties, which is nice. Probably there's a lot more wiring in this one. Seemingly, holy. And of course the two big smoked, so I got them in smoked edition instead of clear because I kind of like them a little better. Hopefully that's not too terribly hard to install, but here's what they look like. These are the 7.5 gen fog lights, so they are the facelift edition. We had the other ones before that weren't the facelift edition, and that's why they didn't fit properly in my previous bumper, and I cut it all up, so I didn't give a shit about that one. But this one gonna be a lot better. We're gonna go ahead and install these today. About to go over to Miles's place and just get these slapped on, and it's gonna look pretty prime, hopefully. So yeah, let's get today started. Yo guys, we are here at Miles's place. His twin brother is standing right next to him.
Hey, broken car gang.
Broken car gang. So today, I'm gonna change this. So we are gonna go ahead and head on up to the apartment and chill out while he's eating them pizza rolls. Pizza rolls? Ah! What's good? What's your name again?
Ryan.
Alex, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Good Nick. Woo! Woo! Alrighty. What time is it? Pizza time, let's go.
What?
Your mattress is here, brother.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Is it actually outside?
Yeah, it's right here. So, ooh, the smart car, boy. This thing's got like full RGB underglow, fucking huge ass speakers. It's dubbed the boombox. This thing's pretty sick, guys, and it mods. It's torquey as fuck. Like, electric car, guys. Fucking primo. I used to drive a Nissan Leaf. That shit was so good. Oh, you can? In the back. Sick. Should we check out the big ass fucking speakers and subs in the back? Shit. Does it just lift?
You lift up the glass and then press the little tabs on the sides for the tailgate.
Oh. And then what?
Right here.
Oh my god. What an odd thing. Okay, cool. So yeah, guys. Look at that setup. Holy shit. And in something this tiny, like, that's gotta fucking kick, bro. Especially, you only got 2 seats and just speakers in the back.
Oh, you gotta.
Oh, what are we going? Where are we going?
Closely, look closely.
I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but right here, there's a crack. And right here, there's a crack. And tell them what that's from, dude.
Vibration, I think?
Yeah. Too much bass, dude. You've been playing too much bass boosted music, bro. That's just fucking whack, dude. I love it though. It's really fun to drive around with this guy at night. Cause just blast in party mode going, you know. We passed a cop yesterday.
Oh, he doesn't. They don't care.
Yeah.
I don't think they saw you. That's probably why.
That is true. I was in full party mode.
Yeah, so he's in full party mode with like the blue and red lights going too, and we're just chilling. Fucking, he goes right past the cop that isn't looking at him.
Oh, so lucky.
And as soon as I passed, guys, as soon as I passed, that fucking cop snapped straight towards me. I was like, okay,
My job was
all right.
the whole time. Just
He's chilling.
looking pretty fun though.
Yo guys, so I found my first problem, which is the button never fits. I think this just got jammed. Fuck. Well, that sucks. It's just stopped.
Moment of truth.
Oh,
Oh, there we go.
Cool.
Alright.
Alright, so first problem is the button it shipped with is too big for the actual hole there, so I can get it in there, but it won't stay, which kind of sucks. So I gotta like either sand this all down and repaint it or do some shit, but I don't know how that's gonna work. But we're gonna try to wire this in through here, and obviously this is the connector for it. And try to find through the firewall where we connect up. There's a ground here, and then this plugs into a red wire. But I don't know what this is for because I haven't found it yet. So it must plug into something. We'll see, and that's kind of how the front layout's gonna be. Alrighty, so we're just gonna go ahead and tear off the bumper real quick. I've got the grill all the way off now, and I'm gonna show off these awesome fucking bumper quick releases. Just press the button, just like Miles did, and the whole bumper just flies all the way off. Super nice. This one's a little more work because it's got the bumper tabs still right here. So
Give it a quick yank.
Yep.
Bro.
Oh, yep. And that's how it is. Yo, so these are the smoked tails, or the smoked fogs, and I really like these because they look really good. We're gonna have to put like a hex mesh kind of grill in front of these after we install them too, just so they don't get cracked, because I keep getting cracked fog lights and it's really shitty. So gonna make sure these survive this time. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and mount these real quick.
Let's give a little look at what it would look like though.
Oh yeah, something like that. I don't know.
Ooh,
Fuck.
clean.
Oh, look good. Ooh, yeah, guys. Look at that. That looks pretty good to me. I'm gonna put in the other one now, and then hopefully we can figure out the wiring, because I do want these running, and I want them to be powered by the button inside, because last time it was just sitting in my hood. The button was literally just laying there, and yeah, I never turned off my fog lights. It's pretty lit. Alrighty guys, so we are about to feed some extended wire that Miles managed to go ahead and get kind of heat shrink on, right? Yep. And so we've extended the wire a little bit right there, you can see. We're gonna try to stuff that through now, and I have to take out my wiring harness for my bags, so we're gonna go ahead and do both of those out the same grommet. One's gonna come out, the other one's gonna come in. Hopefully that heat shrink holds through that, and then yeah, we'll see what's up. But definitely got to get all of this wiring sorted out. It's really dark in here, you guys can't even see, but yeah, there's a lot of wiring, and sun's going down, so gotta get done pretty quick here. Alrighty, so it is the next day. So yesterday we ran into a couple of issues. I had to pull out my old wiring harness, which is sitting right here behind the seat. So that wiring harness is for the old bag system, the airlift controller system. I took everything out and made sure that it was all nice and cleaned out. Then we decided to run the wiring for the fog lights through the same grommet. It was a pain to get through, and it was super dark outside, so I couldn't really record anything. I'm waiting on a light to come in pretty soon here, so we'll have light finally for recording in the dark, because I apparently like to work in the dark all the time. So we'll be doing that pretty soon here. But basically we got all the wiring tucked, and it looks really good. It goes through the engine bay, through the firewall, into here, and the button sits right here. Unfortunately, when we plug in the button, this button, it just it stays lit the whole time. So we can actually try to do it here. See, it's always lit up, which is kind of not a good thing, because
It also stays lit up when we turn off the car, and yeah, we don't want that. So it doesn't like dim off with the rest of the lights, interior or anything, so it's kind of odd. Not sure exactly how to fix that. So that's what we're gonna do today, but for now, the fog lights work. Let's see if we can turn it on. So as you guys can see, fog lights are working. Super nice. So in a little bit here, we're gonna be heading back over to Miles's place. Also, huge shout out to Miles and Nick for helping me yesterday. That was pretty cool. So we're gonna figure out this little thing, snip some wires and get them all nice and clean, and then hopefully we can shave the button or something of sorts to make sure that it fits into this thing, the little slot that holds the buttons. Otherwise, we're just gonna go ahead and buy a new button that's meant for the 2004 before the facelift, just because it's easier that way. So we'll see what's up, but yeah. Yo, I've finished grabbing some gas. Now I'm grabbing some coffee here at Starbucks, and I saw this really dope Accord coming in, so I'm gonna go over there in a second after I pick up this drink and check out that Accord. It is a 6th gen, but it is so clean, and the black on it is so aggressive. I love it. I think it has silver wheels, but it might be gold, I'm not sure. I'm about to go take a peek at that real quick. So, ooh, it looks so good, guys. All right, let's get over there. All right, guys, here it is. Ooh, buddy, look at that thing. It's looking fucking fantastic. I love this thing so much. Oh, look at that fitment. I really like how silver and clean these wheels are. That's crazy, bro. This is a good Accord. I like it. There's ours right there. It's doing okay, but we've got the dash kind of taken apart here, and since my TCS doesn't work anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and tap the wire that needs, well, that gets power there, and put it straight into the other button, so it only gets light power when it's on here,
rather than all the time. Yep. Like it is right now.
So then that should solve the problem, and I'll still have running headlights or fog lights. That would be super cool. Alrighty, guys, so I've got the button here. We've somehow made it work. So if I plug this in now, it is all good. You can't see any light here. Once I go into accessory, now you can see it's on, and I can turn them on and off now.
Let's get a little
show. Go ahead. So are they off right now?
They are off, and they are on now. Both sides working.
That's so awesome. So now we're gonna go ahead and attempt at least, not sure how well this is gonna work, but we have to shave off the top and the bottom of this keycap because it doesn't quite fit. It's got just barely no room on both sides, and we want it to be able to sit flush in this, so that'll be nice, and it'll sit flush against here as well. So that'll look super good. Oh, hey guys, so I've decided that I'm going to use this saw here to cut through the button. It won't look very good, but at least it'll fit properly in this, so hopefully that works. And then I could just paint the edges, because you can see it's a little clear here. I just paint them all black, and it should blend in with the rest of it, so we'll see. But I really like the LEDs on top. Getting back to it. I hacked the shit out of this thing. There it is. But you know, it clicks now, and that's all I really care about. I don't really care. I mean, at least it's not dangling out with the wires and stuff, so that'll be perfect for now. I'll probably end up ordering a switch that actually fits the 04, because I think they have the same back connector, so that should be fine. They're just a little bit taller for some reason on the 07s, and I bought the 07 bumper, so that's what I have to deal with. But let's go put it in the car. Alrighty, here we go. One here, that's not going in. There we go. And then this one goes here. Now my TCS doesn't work, but it never did to begin with, so it doesn't matter.
Plug it in anyways, why not?
Yeah, make it look clean. Boom. Look at that. That's not half bad. You can't see it at night. and now it lights up, and now it turns on my fog lights and shit. I think. Hey, we're good. That shit worked. That's sexy. Alrighty guys, huge shout out to Miles. Oh, I'm so white. Hold on.
I mean, same, but
Alrighty guys, huge shout out to Miles here for helping me with this wiring. It's all good now. I really love the look of the car with the fog lights in. It's primo. Ooh, and they're smoked, so they match the smoked headlights. But yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you know the next time we drop another video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.